I'm excited for this. I've always wanted one of these. As long as I've been smoking cigars, I always have to put cigars in my pocket. And it doesn't always go well for them because they are not completely delicate, but they are a delicate thing. I don't want to cut into this and then damage it somehow. So I have to say, with the inability for me to open this, definitely well packaged. So the intention was definitely for you not to be able to get into it and for it to be protected. And that makes me feel very happy when I buy something and it's like this, because not everything, unfortunately, is packaged this way, where they make it really difficult to get into. And that is nice, by the way. So here we go. Let me pull this out. I can feel it in my hand. Boruk Co. You see it here. And I'm going to open it here and see what we got. So, kind of excited. Wow, look at that. I got the blue ostrich. They have a gray version, but I just like the way the blue looked on the website. And I can say beyond a reasonable doubt that this is very nice quality, I should say. And to be honest with you, I'm kind of surprised because I wasn't expecting too much, but as you can see, it's going to hold my cigars and it stays. So if I were to put Churchills or anything inside of it, it'll stay at that length. I don't have to worry about it falling off. It stays. And this will serve as a protector for them when I'm smoking my cigars. So that is very nice for me, and it can hold them. I don't know what ring gauge that is. So I would say if it's anything above probably a 56 or 58, but see, it does expand here. So I guess you can fit larger ring gauge cigars in there, but I would be cautious of that. But I don't smoke large ring gauge cigars, so for me, it's not really applicable. But I would say you could probably get, if you do like this and put them in here, you may be able to get a 56, 58. I'm using my eyesight, so take that for what you will. But I would say, like I said, maybe 56, maybe 58 can go in there. But anything more than that, you're asking for it not being able to function in the way in which you want it to. But yeah, that's pretty much my unboxing of the Boruk Co. cigar case. Let me know what you guys think. What is your favorite cigar case? Down in the description below, I'm going to put my unboxing of the Arturo Fuente cigar mugs that I did. And please follow me on Instagram and Patreon, which will be linked down in the description. Thank you guys very much, and have a wonderful day.